welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's again Mary and I am back with another interesting video. In case you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Consider watching till the end so that you can leave a comment on what you think about the video. Today we're gonna be making blueberry smoothie, and these are the few ingredients that you need: the blueberries and 1 piece of banana, a cup of milk, and you also need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yeah, so let's get into the video. And this is the end product. Kindly try it and let me know in the comment section. Goodbye, see you in the next video.